this is what really good work looks like in algebra. I'm very happy with this work because, as you can see here, up at the top here, every single letter is highlighted in a different colour, but the same letters are highlighted in the same colour. So 8V, there's no other V's, scan through here, no other V's, so nothing with just a black circle like that. So 8V has remained as 8V by here. Then looking through here, you've got a plus 13T. Any more T's? Yes, I can see that because it's coloured the same thing here, but it has included the sign on both of them. So then 13T plus 13T, take away 15T, comes to 2T. Now that's no problem, but that's gone down by here. It doesn't need to go in the same order in the answer, so absolutely fine to have minus 2T there. And then finally, this minus 10E, there's no other E's. You can quite clearly see that because of the shapes, and then minus 10E has gone there. Now the one thing that is here, it says plus minus 10E. That is fine, but really we could get away with just saying minus 10E. We don't need necessarily that plus sign there. I'm very pleased then, looking through the rest of this exercise, that they've carried on starting to use the shapes and they're getting the right answers. And from there, look, by here, they've not used the shapes. That is not a problem at all. This is used as a way to get you used to doing these sort of questions, but you don't need to do it at every single point. Okay, the next question I'm looking at here is a question on area, and the reason why I really like this question is because they have split up their success criteria. They have really detailed explained what to do. So it says find the missing sides, split the areas horizontally or vertically, and it's really important you can do it either way. Find individual areas and add together. Now that success criteria has been followed perfectly for this question here. So this is a question on composite areas. So if you remember, composite areas are two shapes stuck together, and you can see that this person has split vertically there into two individual areas. They've found all the missing sides. They wouldn't have had all these sides given to them originally. They would have actually gone and found this one straight away. Now I have just spotted a small mistake here. Okay, now I can see here it says estimate, but apart from that, everything else in this work is brilliant. Okay, now the small mistake here, estimating at 6 centimetres, you don't need to estimate. You know that this line here is 12. You're told this line here is 5, so 5 and what makes 12 along there, because these two bits here and here, make up that line there. So the answer should have been 7 centimetres, and it shouldn't have been an estimate. So don't estimate by that. There's always a way to work it out. Now if we check by here, 8 and 2 make 10, so we're all good this side here. And then from here, area 1, you've seen there 6 times 2, which for what they've written here is absolutely superb. That's really good. And then for this one here, for area 2, it would be this line times by this line, so that should be 10 times 5, which is 50, and you see here, remembering the units all the time, really good. And then they've written by here how they got their total by adding them together. Okay, so in general, a very good solution, but just be careful with estimating that bit there. I'd now like you to pause this video, and I'd like you to attempt this question. Pause the video, and your teacher will give you the feedback to tell you if you're right or not.